In this video, we will see how to restore an embedded database backup to Voice Console installed on a Windows machine. The steps, file name and directory path may vary for different Voice Console versions. For exact steps, please refer to the respective Voice Console version implementation guide. In this video, we are showing the steps for Voice Console 5.6.1. On the screen, you can see the information stored in embedded database and what's not. The VOD file, device profile and firmware are stored under Files directory under Voice Console installation folder. Device logs are stored under Device logs directory. Considerations before executing the procedure. 1. The default path of Voice Console installation directory is C. Program files, vocalect, Voice Console. 2. Voice Console schedule job creates a daily database backup and stored at location. Voice Console installation directory, backup. Make a note of the location and database backup file which you want to restore. It can be kept at any location. 3. The Voice Console embedded database backup should match the Voice Console major and minor software version to which it is being restored. 4. The Voice Console service must be stopped prior to restore. 5. Voice Console comes installed with the inbuilt JRE. Make a note of the JRE location. The default path is Voice Console installation directory, JRE, bin. Now, let's restore it. Stop Voice Console service. Go to Voice Console installation directory. Database directory. Make a note of the VCDB folder path. Rename the VCDB folder to VCDB_BKP. Go to the Voice Console installation directory. Then go to Directory, Tomcat, WebOps, Voice Console, WebINF, lib. Look for HSQLDB jar file and make a note of the directory path and jar name. The jar version may vary across Voice Console versions. Open Windows command prompt with admin privilege. Redirect to the JRE directory. Prepare the command as shown on the screen. Run the command from command prompt. Start the Voice Console service. Thank you for watching.